Front load washing machine. Drum cleaning function. Purpose to prevent scaling of drum. This program prevents scale formation on the drum wall and should be used once every 3 months. Switch on the washing machine and look for Drum Clean symbol on the control panel. Press the corresponding button for 3 seconds to activate Drum Cleaning program. Open the door and remove any laundry present in the drum. Put 1 pouch of descaling powder into the drawer. Close the drawer and press Start button. After the cycle is complete, open the door for odor ventilation.